Healthy morning, students. See, yesterday we have studied about the how to remember name of the element. Okay. Today we are going to learn formation of compound. With the help of this element, how to form compound, that we are going to learn today. So let us revise all the element quick. We know the sentence of first group is Lina की रूबी से फ्रेंडशिप. लीना की रूबी से फ्रेंडशिप. Li lithium, Na sodium, K potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. Then beta मांगे कार सेंट्रो भाग राजी. B beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. Then बाल गए in थाली. B boron, Al aluminium, Ga gallium, indium and helium. काशी गए संत प्रभु. What is the sentence? काशी गए संत प्रभु. का से कार्बन, सी सिलिकॉन, गए Ge गैलियम, ओके, Sn it is tin, Pb is lead. Sorry, Ge is germanium, it is germanium. Now Nap sub B, N nitrogen, P phosphorus, arsenic, Sb antimony and Bi bismuth. U से टीपो, U oxygen, S sulfur, से selenium, T tellurium and PO polonium. फिर कल बार I anti, F fluorine, Cl chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. Now we are going to learn how to form the compound. See, suppose if you have given two elements like lithium and chlorine. Lithium and chlorine. First you have to remember कि lithium belongs to which group? Simple. लीना की रूबी से फ्रेंडशिप उसमें आया lithium and lithium belongs to first group. What is its valency? +1. So write over here +1. Chlorine. एक बात याद रखना कि फर्स्ट जो एलिमेंट में लिखूंगा वो फर्स्ट, सेकंड और 13 ग्रुप में से होगा. Always this element will belongs to first, second and 13 group. And whatever element I will write later on, it must belongs to 15, 16 and 17. यानी फर्स्ट वाला पॉजिटिव वैलेंसी वाला होगा, सेकंड वाला नेगेटिव. So chlorine, Cl chlorine, it is belong to 17 group. फिर कल बार आई एंटी, chlorine valency -1. See, now to form molecular formula what you have to do? आपको चार्जेस देखने हैं. ये चार्जेस सेम है. अगर चार्जेस यानी वैलेंसी सेम है तो कुछ भी नहीं करने का, जस्ट कंबाइन दिस एलिमेंट LiCl. दिस इज योर molecular formula. Let us give chemical name. Li stand for lithium, Cl stand for chlorine. But when we give chemical name to the compound, we know very well. We use suffix IDE after negative element. तो क्लोरीन नहीं बोलेंगे, क्लोरीन के पीछे ID लगाओ तो क्या बनेगा? क्लोराइड. So this will be lithium chloride. What it will be? Lithium chloride. Let us take more examples. Now, if I take element sodium and chlorine, okay, we know Na stand for sodium and Cl stand for chlorine. So always this element will belongs to first, second and 13 group, okay, always. And this element will belongs to 15, 16 and 17. तो सेंटेंस याद करो. लीना ना आया फर्स्ट ग्रुप में तो वैलेंसी ऑफ फर्स्ट ग्रुप इज +1, ओके. Cl तो आपको सोचना है 15, 16 और 17 के बारे में. 15 ग्रुप सेंटर इज नपा सब नहीं आ रहा है. 16 ग्रुप ऊ स से टी को ये भी नहीं आ रहा है. 17 ग्रुप फिर कल आया ना, तो मतलब इट इज बिलोंग टू 17 ग्रुप. वैलेंसी -1. Valencies are balanced. See, valencies are balanced, that means you don't have to see sign. Just look at the number. 1 1 है मतलब balance. No need to do any change. Now write NaCl as it is. Let us give name. Na stand for sodium, Cl stand for chloride. Okay. So name of this compound will be sodium chloride. Let us take more example. If I take magnesium, okay, magnesium and chlorine. See मैंने बताया था this belongs to first, second और third group. फर्स्ट ग्रुप लीना के रूपी से फ्रेंडशिप नहीं आता है. सेकंड ग्रुप बेटा मांगे है मैग्नीशियम. That means it belongs to second group. Valence is +2. Chlorine we know very well belong to 17 group. Valence is -1. See here valences are not balanced. Here it is 2. Here it is 1. So whenever valences are not balanced, we have to do cross in this. So what is meaning of this cross? 1 Mg की तरफ गया तो Mg आपको सिंगल लेना है. To move towards Cl. To move towards Cl, so you have to write Cl2. See once again, 1 move towards Mg, so one time Mg. To move towards Cl, so 2 Cl. Name will be Mg stand for magnesium and Cl क्लोरीन होता है, लेकिन पीछे कौन सा सफिक्स लगाएंगे? IDE. Clo magnesium chloride. Okay, this will be chemical name of this MgCl2. Let us take more example. Now if I take aluminium and oxygen, चलो फर्स्ट सेकंड 13 में से कौन सा ग्रुप है चेक करो. फर्स्ट ग्रुप बिना के रूप से फ्रेंडशिप नहीं आया. सेकंड ग्रुप बेटा मांगे कार सेंटर नहीं आया. थर्ड ग्रुप बाल BAL देखो belongs to 13 group. Valence +3. अब ये it will be either 15, 16 और 17 group. नपा सब भी नहीं आ रहा है. U स से D O U आया O. Valence -2. Again valences are not balanced. क्योंकि नंबर सेम नहीं है. We'll do cross. We will move towards oxygen, 2 towards aluminium. So how many aluminium will take? 2. And how many oxygen? 3. So see, 2 towards aluminium, so Al2, 3 towards oxygen, so O3. So chemical name of this compound will be Al stand for aluminium. O generally oxygen, but we use suffix IDE, so it will be oxide, aluminium oxide. Okay, so name of this will be aluminium oxide. Let us take few more examples. Now if I take calcium and here sulfur. Okay, so we know this will be belongs to first, second, third group. लीना के रूप से फ्रेंडशिप नहीं आया. बेटा मांगे कार सेंट्रो, बेटा मांगे कार में क्या आता है? Ca. कैल्शियम it belong to second group. वैलेंस +2. ये 15, 16 या 17 ग्रुप में होगा. नप्पा सभी एंड नप्पा सभी नहीं आया. U मतलब ऑक्सीजन सब मतलब सल्फर. It belongs to second 16 group. Valence of 16 group -2. See valences are balanced क्योंकि नंबर सेम है. So whenever valences are balanced, no need to do cross. Write as it is. This is molecular formula. So chemical name will be C stand for calcium. Generally S stand for sulfur, but we will use suffix IDE. So this will be sulfide. So name of this compound will be calcium sulfide. Next Al and I. Okay, चलो फर्स्ट, सेकंड और 13 ग्रुप. विच ग्रुप? 13. एल्यूमिनियम वैलेंस +3. 15, 16 और 17 विच ग्रुप? 17 ग्रुप. Okay, iodine वैलेंस -1. Valence are not balanced. Cross. 1 will move to aluminium, will take only 1 aluminium. 3 will move towards iodine, will take 3 iodine. So it will be aluminium iodide. Aluminium iodide. Okay, suffix IDE. Now, next example is KO. चलो फर्स्ट सेकंड और थर्ड ग्रुप लिनाकी K stand for potassium, valency +1. 15 16 17 which group? U-SaCO 16 group, valency -2. Not balanced, will do cross. 2 will move toward potassium, 2 will move toward potassium, so potassium 2. 1 will move towards oxygen, so single oxygen. K stand for potassium and O stand for oxide. Okay, so now I think the formation of compound is much clear in your mind. Okay, so many questions I am giving to form the compound. Okay, that will be your homework. Okay, thank you. You have to form molecular compounds. Okay, check it out. Okay, this is also your homework. In this way only you have to form the compound. Okay, you have to write valency, molecular formula, chemical name. Okay, thank you.